हे गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। बहुत दिनों बाद एक नया मेकअप वीडियो ला रही हूँ। आई होप कि ये आपको पसंद आएगा। और अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं देन लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ टू यू। आई एम शुभी एंड आई मेक वीडियोज ऑन फैशन, लाइफस्टाइल, ट्रैवल, DIY, skincare and a lot more. So in today's video I'm gonna share this makeup look जो कि बहुत ही स्पेशल ओकेजन रक्षाबंधन के लिए मैंने तैयार किया है। और इसे मैंने कुछ बहुत ही क्यूट आउटफिट और क्यूट ज्वेलरी के साथ पेयर अप किया है। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो. And before we dive into the video, a quick request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss on any videos that I upload. Okay, let's begin.
Distance, oh yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Tell. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Oh, 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 oh. Kill the church bell. We are silent, not on well. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yes or no. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. Yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. They can play well, but we foretell. Got me looking all rough, got me losing my toughness. Break the spell, let me tell you. Every single night it's a lucid light. He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell. I'm not joining our race, I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference, not the distance. Oh yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. Whatever they do, we can do it better. They can play well. tell. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Oh, 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 oh. Kill the church bell. We are silent, not unwell. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. They can play well, but we foretell. Got me looking all rough, got me losing my toughness. Break the spell, let me tell you. Every single night it's a lucid light. He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell. I'm not joining a race. I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference.
So this is my final Rakshabandhan look. I hope you like this video. So I decided to pair this outfit, which is orange chikankari kurta and plazo, with this choker. I think it goes well with my makeup and the jewelry. And I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you haven't done already. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.